Top 5 Best Fish Tank. Number 5. Penn Plax Curved Corner Glass Aquarium Kit. The Penn Plax Curved Corner Glass Aquarium Kit is designed to give you a 360 degrees panoramic view. The glass-designed tank comes with an internal cascade filter to keep your betta water clear of any debris and toxins. It is designed using 3-piece construction technology to give it extended longevity. The hood of the tank is made from plastic and hinged to the tank. This feature gives you an easy time to access the tank during maintenance and feeding. One feature that stands out is the betta fish tank light. The LED bulbs of this tank are designed to provide sufficient light to illuminate your aquarium and not interfere with your betta's peace. The bulbs are flexible, and you can fix it at your desired point at the back of the tank. Pros: it has a 360 panoramic view. The internal cascade filter cleans up the aquarium. It is easy to set up. The 3-piece construction technology promotes durability. Cons: you need to buy a heater for your bettas. Coming in number 4. Hagen HG Fluval Flex Aquarium 57 liter. Fluval is one of the reputable companies in the fish keeping industry. The Hagen HG Fluval Flex Aquarium is a unique front curved modern tank. The curve gives it an illusion to appear bigger and the sleek edge to fit in contemporary interior decor. It comes with a FlexPad remote control that gives you the power to choose the special effects and color blends that you desire. The filtration system works on chemical, biological, and mechanical levels. You can customize the water flow with the help of the tank's multidirectional dual output. Since the tank is a freshwater aquarium, the ability to control water flow can allow you to keep a wide array of fish species. The lighting is characterized by adjustable 2450 lux and 7500 K LED lamps. Pros: it has sufficient lighting for both fish and plants in the aquarium. The filtration system consists of chemical, biological, and mechanical. It comes with a FlexPad remote control. The sleek design makes it accommodative in a wide array of interior decors. You can adjust the water flow in the aquarium. Cons: the filter takes too much space. Coming in number 3. SeaClear 20 to 50 gallon Acrylic Aquarium Kit. This aquarium kit may not be as comprehensive as some of the others on the market. It features an acrylic aquarium which is much stronger and more impact resistant than a glass tank. Available in sizes ranging from 20 gallons to 50 gallons, this kit comes with a 24-inch light fixture and reflector as well as a colored backdrop. Pros: acrylic tank is much stronger than glass. Light fixture and reflector included. Available in multiple sizes up to 50 gallons. Cons: no heater or filter. Coming in number 2. Marina LED Aquarium Kit. Available in 5, 10, and 20 gallon sizes, the Marina LED Aquarium Kit is a great buy for anyone getting started in the aquarium hobby. This kit features a glass aquarium with a clip-on filter complete with quick-change filter cartridges. It also comes with an LED lighting module incorporated directly into the hood as well as a net, thermometer, water conditioner, biological supplement, and fish food. Pros: clip-on filter with quick-change filter cartridges. Sturdy glass tank. Water conditioner and biological supplement included. Energy-efficient LED lighting in the hood. Cons: not available in sizes over 20 gallons. Doesn't include heater. Coming in number 1. Tetra 20 gallon Complete Aquarium Kit. This all-in-one aquarium kit from Tetra comes with a 20 gallon glass aquarium, an LED hood, a Whisper 20 filter, Tetra HT20 heater, and several artificial aquarium plants. Available in 4 different sizes ranging from 10 gallons to 55 gallons, and it comes with additional accessories such as a digital thermometer, fish net, water conditioner, filter media, and more. Pros: includes all necessary equipment to get started. Energy-saving LED lights produce a shimmering effect. Heater maintains proper temperature. Sturdy glass aquarium. Covered by lifestyle warranty. Cons: filter could be stronger, but not an issue if you require low flow.